it's New England here, and you might see someone familiar. Well, probably well known. Yes, that's right. Among Us. Among Us is almost the #1 game out there. But we're not here to talk about Among Us. We're here to talk about these. Yes, I've made all these. Well, my mom helped me. So, today I'm going to tell you how to make a card, an Among Us card. So, what you do here is a paper. I think this is one of the finished ones. No, yes it is. Oh no, blue. So here's the paper. So what's happening with the paper? You may say, that looks just like a normal paper. But you see that tape on the side? That's holding together another half of paper. So what we did was we got another paper, one paper, folded in, we folded it in half, and we got another paper, cut it in half, taped or glued it on to the paper, and then left like a flap open area. And you're able to, and what you're going to do is you're going to stick the popsicle stick in, and you're going to be able to make the crewmate guy move around. So like he's being floated around in space. You know, like when you eject the imposter. But I haven't, this is an incomplete one card. I will have like drawn the spaceship right here and some stars and stuff. So how to make these? What you get is, how do you make the sticks, you may be asking? You get popsicle sticks. Where are they? Well, you might be able to see it here. Popsicle stick. See that inside right there? That's a popsicle stick. You may be wondering, what's the smooth black stuff on it? Well, that's tape. This tiny roll of tape. And yeah, you use the tape to tape on here to make it look black instead of having to color it. And this is the tape I used. My mom made the popsicle sticks. She cut out the guys, and then I colored the guys. And yes, I did help too. My dad helped, and my mom helped. And this is the progress so far. We have all the cards made. Well, yes, all the cards are made. Some might not be folded yet, but oh well. And here, I'll show you the finishing touch of a card that I have. We're going dark. Okay, this is to my mom. So, here's what it's going to look like when it's finished. It's going to be my name, as you all should know. You probably know my name. It's going to be my name, but it's going to be a capital A with an Among Us character. Like in Among Us, how it's the Among Us character, but it's going to have a mini crewmate on it. And when you open it up, this is what my finishing touch looks like. So, things slid out. So this is just the first one I made, because then we thought it'd be easier to make it with tape. But this one is for my mom, as you can see on the front. Well, as you could see on the front. And it can slip out from the bottom, but you just have to hold it like this. Easy peasy. And yeah, here are the Among Us characters. How I got the Among Us characters was I just printed out 20 of them for my class on Valentine's Day. I cut them out. I colored them in. We made the popsicle sticks, and we glued the crewmates to the popsicle sticks or imposters, and then we put the popsicle sticks in here. and then we'll draw stars in it, and then the skeld, also known as the spaceship. And you can slide it around too, so you slide the guy around it from, like, say the guy's right there, but now he's over there. I didn't do stars on there because that'd take forever, but yeah. This is just a good idea for Valentine's Day gift. If you haven't thought of anything and you want to make your own Valentine's Day gift. It's taken me about 2 hours to get here. Well, 1 or 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours, either way. Yeah. To get this far, but we've got all the cards made, but they're not written on, and we've got all those guys on the sticks, except for one, and I'm going to try to show you how to make the last guy. So you have your popsicle stick, you've got your glue, and then you've got your guy. This guy is a white guy since I have all the other colors, and I'm going to have every color. We might have to go dark for a second because I need to open this glue. Okay, dark. So what I do, okay, we're not dark anymore, but what I do is I just squeeze the glue up a bit, let it suck the glue in, and then get glue on the edges because you don't want to put too much glue on it. And then, since this edge is less folded, you will put glue right there, and there. And then we will put our guy on it. Where's that guy? And then we will put him in whatever position you want him to be in. So I got the guys by just printing them out, and yeah. And then on the front there will be a mini crewmate cut out on top of the A in my name. But if you don't have an A in your name, it doesn't matter. You can just add mini crewmates if you want. I just thought that was a pretty good detail. And I think that's it for our video on how to make the card. I will see you later on Ants New England in our next video of how to vote for the next video. Bye!
Happy Valentines! Thanks for watching, everybody! Don't forget to like and subscribe! Oh no, it's happening!